My main dog. Talk about my main dog. The little girl, and I didn't know what else to do but save you with my main dog over the hill. Straight across that which goes on, forward the way is long. And she's ready to go. She's looking at me, she's my main dog. Ooh, she's familiar with the fog. She's a good animal with splotches on. Yep. She got it from the lady. We sent him over the hedge, pointed him down in it. Feels as blunt as a sledge. With a little bit of that creep, she'll take herself down into it just a bit. She won't quit. She take that rabbit to her jaws and spit it out with me. It out with me. Yeah. It out with me. It out with me. It out with me. Yeah. It out with me. So hunt. There I say it, bae. Bae. Don't do a good dog or you'll be scared when she say. And be scared when she lay. And let a good dog lay. It's been one since I can remember. How it all started, how it all got there. Rub a tummy, cause this fridge is running bare. And did them all the good doggies, not with her. No doubt, cause it was coming, and now it's not diff. You wanted it, colloquial wisdom you should have bought, cousin. I sigh. Whoa. I got her let out of the cage, yo. And a rabbit spring runs from it, with all the trappings and doggies needs for doggy deeds. It out with me. It out with me, yeah. It out with me. It out with me. It out with me, yeah. It out with me. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. Yeah, so I fire at the feet of the man looking at him in the seat. He's got it going and he's scraping the bucket before he could get at him. Sail on out. Lawn sail now. C'est la vie.